guys, what's going on? I am here to do another MCM reveal video. This particular item I found offline. I had been it just popped up out of nowhere and I was like, oh, that's cute or whatever, because I want to say I first saw it on Bloomingdale's or somewhere, I don't know. But anyway, I found it and I ordered it, so here it go. And y'all, this dust bag is the cutest little dust bag. It's so cute. But anyway, there's the little dust bag and there's the card and then the other little stuff that comes with it. So anyway, so let me show you guys. Here it is. And this is called the Mcm Colorblock Visetos Mini Love Letter Wallet. And it retails for around like $260, but I was able to get it for $119. So I thought that was a steal. So here it is, and it's kind of it has the black and then it has the cognac color, and this right here is like a little soft pink. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like a soft pink color. So here's the front of it, and then here is the back, which is all black, and then there's the bottom part of it, and then this right here has MCM on it, and then you will lift that up, and it has like a little small opening flap right here, and then it has an opening right here in the back, and then here's the little tag. I hope this is focused. There's a little tag, and then like I said, there's an opening there. Take that out, and then you have a bigger opening there. So yeah, it's such a cute little wallet, card case, whatever you want to call it, and then it has MCM right there. So let's see what all will fit in here. So right here at the front, let me see if a card will fit here. Let's see, you can stick a card there, which you probably could put like your driver license or something right there. And then let's see how many cards we can fit in the inside. So there's 1, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all I have all I have with me so far is just 10, but there's still plenty more room that you can put a couple more in there. And then like on this back one, you can put like some more cards, or you can put like some dollar bills, and then still shuts. So y'all, this is the cutest little case, and it also came in I want to say it had like a red color, because I saw a couple of these on a Poshmark, and I forgot how much they were asking for them, but I want to say they were asking probably like I think maybe like the original price. I'm not sure, y'all, but it does come in a couple of other different colors. I was trying to see if I can find those other colors for you, but I want to say it came in like 2 more other different colors, and I think this part was red, or either this part was red or this part was red, something like that. Y'all, I can't even remember. I need to get it together. But anyway, y'all, I thought this was the cutest little card case, and here lately I've been finding some really great deals on some of the MCM items or whatever. So all y'all got to do, really, if it's something that y'all are really looking for, just keep on looking. Just keep looking. And if you do find something that's not in your price range, just wait and just keep on looking, because you just never know. Because I have found a couple of pieces that I've been really wanting, and the price was just too much for me. I just wasn't really willing to pay that price, and I waited, and guess what? Found the stuff at an awesome deal. So Yep, y'all, this is the cutest little mini wallet, and I think this would be cute to go in like one of the MCM mini backpacks. Well, it don't necessarily have to be an MCM backpack, but just it'll be cute to go with the miniature, the mini MCM backpack. And so, like I said, a card does fit back there in the back. So 1, 2, let's see, 3, 4, 5 fits back there. Now I'm not sure if you can get the 5 back here and then plus, you know, the 10 up here. I'm not sure about that, because you don't want to stretch it out and mess up your item either. So yeah, y'all, that is so cute. So here's the inside of it. Just a cute little, neat little card cases. And I want to say that Michael Kors have a card case like this, and I think Coach might too. I'm not sure, because you know they all pretty much have the same thing. But I thought this was the cutest little thing. So there it is. And once again, this is called the MCM Colorblock Visetos Mini Love Letter Wallet. And like always, if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.